It's time to finish our last regular block of our Pumpkins and Potions quilt. Little Bit Batty. Let's work on Little Bit Batty on page 23. The applique and the background fabric have been fused with interfacing on the back, and I have the batting. I cut my applique piece with my ScanNCut. That is an optional step. Then from the embellishment packet, I have the black glitter. Let's get started. I am going to go to Embroidery and to the USB. And I did not combine this in software, so I am going to open the quilting bundle. And this is Halloween 8, block by block. And I am looking for the 6 by 6 design. And I will set. Now I need to go to Add. I need to go to my USB and to my embroidery files. And I need to find the Little Bit Batty. And hit set. And I can't move them right now or they'll move separately. So I need to hit embroidery. Then I can just use my finger. I can go to layout and move and use the arrows, or I can move it up and again a little bit to the left. And I'm ready to stitch this out. Because I did not combine these in software and delete steps 2 and 3 that I normally delete, I need to go ahead and skip those. So I ran the batting placement and now it wants me to do the batting tack down, but I cut my batting to size, so I'm going to use the down arrow and skip that. Now it wants to do the fabric placement, and again that's just outside of the batting placement, and our fabric is so much larger, so I don't need this, so I'm going to hit the down arrow to skip that. Now I will do the tack down of the fabric.